Okay, this is one thing we've done in the past a lot, great success, and now we're bringing these back. And so these will start in February again. Imagine spending 2 hours, maybe even around my living room, 2 hours discussing the details of different real estate aspects. What we do is we'll come up with a topic, we'll advertise it to the people in the program. You can attend or not, you're all set. And the way these things work is they cost $20 each to come hang out for 2 hours. We usually have one start, it goes from 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock. And we sit around and hang out and we go through this topic and you break it down, and there's feedback and question and answer. It's a really great deal. Then we take a half-hour break. Then we sit down for the next topic for 2 hours. Then it goes from 11:30 to 1:30. Then we take another half-hour break. Then we come back and take another 2 hours. So it's an all-day Saturday thing. If you're a member, it's not $20 per session, it's free. It's just one of those free membership things. We sit around, at the breaks we'll go, have pizza or whatever. I held them in my house in Easton. How many people have been there? The house in Easton, we just sit around, I'd throw some pizzas in the oven while we're talking to you guys, and it worked out great, Or we had sandwiches and stuff. So those are just fun times to get down and enjoy, more one-on-one. Average was somewhere between 10 and 20 people at those things. And we just limited it to like that 20. So keep those in mind. Those are great, great stuff. You take the theories, maybe you took a seminar somewhere, you never get to use it. Or you get the seminar, it was just too confusing. Those are the things we can talk about in different seminars. Maybe you want to know more about real estate brokerage because you can't stand realtors. I'll put it this way, I can't stand realtors either, and I am one, okay? You can't stand lawyers. None of us can, but we need them, okay? So that just gets us to appreciate the people that we can't stand because they're used in business a lot. And it gives us a chance to pick out the right lawyers, the right real estate agents. We'll go through all that stuff. Back one more. And flipping down there at the bottom, buying, rehabbing. Flipping, there's all sorts of ways to flip property. You take your purchase or sale, you get signed up for the purchase or sale, right? And you bring it to this meeting and say, I got this deal on this piece of paper. I could buy this house for $100,000. I put down $100. It's worth $200,000 fixed up, and it's going to cost you $50,000 to fix it up. Does anyone want to buy this purchase contract from me and sell it right here in the room for $5,000 or $10,000? We've had lots of those things happen. So those are things that you can do. Or you can buy the property, close on it, clean it up a little bit, and then sell it to investors. Or you can buy the property, fix it up a lot, and retail it out. Or you can put it under contract, and in the contract have permission to fix it up before you buy it, and then flip it to other investors. Flip it, clean it up, like mow the lawn, get the junk out of it, so other investors who don't have that insight can actually see it. So there's all sorts of ways to flip a property, and I've done all of them a lot.